All right, so I'm gonna do a little, I guess, what we can call back test overview of the previous week. I'm gonna try to start doing these once a week to kind of journal and back test for myself. So if you see this and you find it helpful, cool. All right, so we'll start with this is last week. Last week they counted for a little vertical line there. Let's go to 4 hours. Put a little vertical candle here. Okay, so this is last week, Monday through Friday, or Sunday open to Friday close. All right, so back test to see, to see how we could have caught moves and took advantage of them. So our trading hours are from, or mine are from 6 o'clock to 9:30. Sometimes I'll extend it if I don't see anything. 1 to 2 trades a day, same setup. That's it. All right, so let's see. Use the bar replay feature. Take us to 5 o'clock, an hour before our trading time. Um, let's see. So let's start off on like the 4 hour. See if we have anything, because I don't think the daily's giving much data. No, 4 hour isn't really either. So let's just start with this little demand zone right here. So take that, do that. And this is a zone that was broke, could be retested, rejected, drop back down. And yesterday's daily, well, the previous day high was this. Previous day low was this. So this was the range that we worked in Friday. And as of right now, this is the range we're in for Monday. So the setup that I am trying to really dial in and hone in on is basically when price creates a low, catch the wait for it to create resistance and come back and retest this area of demand. This will be my TP. I'd like to do that every single day and be done. All right, so it's 4 hour. Let's see, it's 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Okay, so 6 o'clock. This is that low. Let's just do some balloons. This is H1, low high. H1, lower low. So in order for us to go back up here, we need to break this level. Okay. So with that being said, or we'll get a rejection here to go up. So let's get right to it. Play. So 7 o'clock. Okay, so this is the first sign that we could be going up, but I'm gonna wait. Okay, so real trade, in a real trade, I would have probably took this, put my stops below here, because we broke the last candle. So, and I'd probably take that up to this area of supply. Let's see what happens. Okay, price went up a little bit. So we got stopped out. Okay. So now that we got stopped out, I'm still thinking we're gonna go up just because we haven't really retraced enough to make this low. Like this is just garbage. Okay, so we got that weird flexing candle, and so the next candle I would have gotten in on. I would have just spaced out the confidence of this thing. I would have took this, put stops below this candle, because if we break below that candle, we're going down. And I would have had my TP at the area of supply. So let's see what happens. Okay. All right, so we hit TP. Hit TP up there. All right, so that was our trade for the day. 1 to 1.9, 55 pips to risk this much. I know GJ is really moving right now. It's really, really volatile with this coronavirus stuff. So, all right. So our next setup. Let's take it to the hour. Okay. So that was Monday. We took a loss, but then we came back and we won. Let's see, what is this? So, oh snap, I went too far. Okay. All right, so now that we have a little more information, we've got a H4 demand zone down here. Let's make that blue. We've got an H4 zone right here. And then we have one right there. Okay, so now that we have those marked up, let's see what we got. And yesterday's high was actually right here. So let's see, and the low was right there. See, these are day separators. So this is a day right here. So this was yesterday's high and this was yesterday's low. Okay, so now price created a high. Just put a little 30-minute zone up there. We'll put a little zone right here. Now, so since this is already retesting before 6 o'clock, well, in pre-New York, we have two options, always two options. Either this is going to reject and come back down here, or it's going to make another high, pull back. We'll take our injury and take it to retest that high. So that's what we're looking for. All right, let's see what we get. Remember, discipline, patience. Okay, so right here we've got rejection, we've got kind of a pin bar. So let's see what the next candle is. Okay, so we've created resistance at this high. So good indication that we could be going down this candle and go 3 candles. So see what this next candle does. So I would have went short right here and put my stops right above that and took it here. And let's see how it works out. Okay. And we TP. All right. So let's move on to the next day. And all of that happened before 8 o'clock, before the New York push. Okay, one more candle. All right. So let's see what we got here. Our most current H4 zone is right here. Let's just bring that right there. That blue. Then we have the zone right there. Okay, so we're kind of in our range. So we either need to break out or we need to break up. So go to our H1. We see that our daily high was right here. Daily low was right here. Okay. Now, so with this example, we're either going to trade the highs and the lows or either wait for a breakout. So let's see what we get. 6 o'clock, okay. Okay, so we're creating a little support right there. So this could be a high. Come back to test that. So, I mean, this may very well be. Let's see what the next candle is. It's not a good looking candle. Yeah, and we're consolidating. Okay, so if we want, I mean, we can take this small trade here down to, I'll take it down to 50 in this area. See what happens. Oh, it's not looking good. All right, so we TP'd. All right, that's Wednesday. Okay. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish this before I run out of time. So if I don't finish this, I'll just have next week's. I'll either buy this or figure out how to use a new software. Okay. So now we're 5 o'clock. We don't really have much data right there. So here we have a break for level. Then we have resistance there. Go to the 30. We can probably tighten them up. Okay. Yesterday's high, yesterday's low is right here. Yesterday's low is like right here. Okay. Now, since we're bearish momentum, let's see what happens. It's 5:30. Okay. So let's see if we can get a pullback to go further. Okay. Let's see what the next level is. Can't really see that far back, so let's just call it this range. So let's see. We can catch this before it cuts out.